Nope. Nope. No one ever stops there. Why bother with these stupid stop signs? No one follows them.
But that's great. I'm glad you're here. So you're here full time now. So how is full time?
No stop. No stop. This intersection keeps getting featured in my videos. It's crazy. No stop. Alright, see what the guy behind me does. Of course you don't stop, because no one ever stops. No one ever will. We should just give up all hope for all humanity from now on. Red light run, red light run, red light run.
You guys can get better and have reps at it, but it's 55 was really good in passing.
But I'm stringing, but I'm stringing, but I'm dumb stringing.
Cam Hayward is Cam Hayward out in this game?
Send your emails to MikeManchesterPodcast@gmail.com.
What position do you think the Giants need the biggest upgrade at? Well,
really?
A lot, but clearly, the Giants have not got
big green signs back there that tells you where to go. Really?
They have spent a lot of.
Jesus Christ!
Who the fuck?
Red light run, red light run, red light run. No, turn on red.
Without it. So I'm stoked to see that you're here. In fact, when I did that post, I had like 5 or 6 businesses ask me, they said, so what happened in different organizations? Like, did you get a lot of people responding? It was actually a really random post, but it ended up being very, very important. I built some relationships from it. But
like a planet.
Glad to see you here full time. At home.
Come on, Amazon, move over. No, he didn't. Come on, people need packages.
It just feels good. It doesn't feel good physically, but it just feels good mentally. And you know, I've had a lot of situations in my life that have like pushed me towards running.
Really?
And it's just a great feeling to have. You know, we're accomplishing these goals. And
Liz with the amount of capital they kept on hand. It was the women on the board that told them that they could lend out all of the money.
Here's the thing. Women be shopping. And
I have heard that.
they were shopping with...
Wait, was that an exit dive behind me?
Now,
I think it was.
Nicole.
Nope.
looking at it, like I saw this fucking thing one time on one of those trashy shows, and they were showing people.
No, stop.
The women that were in love, that they were in love with.
Over the line!
Wait, what are you doing on the wrong side of the street?
How this plan came to fruition.
No, stop.
And I just can't. It's
really big. A lot of people.
Red light run, red light run, red light run. I know you hate it, but others love it. So, I still sing or whatever. Yep. We got a good amount of people here. Let's see how many screw up. Like that guy did.
Don't!
And are you going to run the stop sign? Holy shit, someone actually stopped. It's amazing.
Woohoo!
Well, we're one out of 2 stopped today. And there's a bunch of cars coming. And oh look, there's someone coming up behind me. Let's see if they stop when it's their turn. What is up with all the cars coming? All right, let's see how many people. Yeah, the car behind me screwed up.
Don't!
Oh, the big dick truck stopped.
Woohoo!
It's crazy. They're not as stupid as we thought they were. It's crazy.
Face, it goes beyond the sun.
Wow.
Okay.
Just from one human?
Yeah, that's
Wow.
how much genetic
Well, that does-
information.
I don't
we
think you
cover.
stopped behind me
That's
in
how much
time,
genetic
or well, you
information
didn't
we
stop.
cover.
You ran the red
We are
light,
amazing machines.
And the person
and you
died in that
exit
case.
regretted, and then decided to exit anyway. Weird.
Over like every 2 to 3 days. So there's a lot of cell division that goes on in your gut.
Red light, run! Red light, run! Red light, run! You see, and you kind of ran too. You didn't stop.
Out. So literally, what I'm trying to do is build a snowstorm.
That's brilliant. Because that going back, that's going back to this
The fuck you
sliding
do?
clamp that you talked about. These proteins all
Really?
being connected. And so what you're doing
Really,
is
dude.
you're coming in and you're saying,
You're an
I'm
asshole.
not going to treat this. What I'm going to do is shut down the system inside of the system.
Shut down the whole network. Shut down
Right.
the whole. Based on the chemistry of the drug, it has a half-life of about 5 hours. And so,
Wait,
in order
what?
to keep
What the hell are you doing up
the
there?
drug
Really?
present all the time, needs to be administered.
Of justice. In the hearing stands was one of the few witnesses who availed himself of the chance to offer a final closing statement. Looking directly at Irvin,
Exit
Stan
died
said,
behind me.
"You cannot feel the abuse to which I have been subjected because of..."
Kind of wave that is going on right now. Listen.
What are you doing?
His legs and wet.
No. You don't get to do that, Toyo turd. Exit dive. Well in advance, but still, there was plenty of room behind me because, you know, we can't merge in behind me. No. We can't lose those 2 seconds of time. We got places to be.